Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. He turned that barn into a jam, E-I-E-I-O. With a beat beat here and a groove groove there, music and animals everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, fluffy feet dancing everywhere. With a stomp stomp here and a spin around there, that sheep got moves and flair to spare. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Then came the chicken DJ Chick, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, she scratched those beats like she just don't care. With a wing flap here and a head bop there, farmyard groove fills up the air. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, galloping fast with his silky hair. With a trot trot here and a whoa there there, everybody shouting, go horse, yeah! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Then came the pig with a big old grin, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, he dropped his bars with funky flair. With a wiggle wiggle here and a snout snout there, piggy got swag, hands in the air. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Next was the dog, the party pup, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, he hyped the crowd without a care. With a jump jump here and a tail wag there, he's the farm's top hype man, yeah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Then came the goat, he stole the show, E-I-E-I-O. With a mama here and a mama there, he break dance right on the hay out there. With a kick kick here and a slide slide there, that goat got groove, beware beware. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Cow stepped up, said time to shine, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, she moonwalked like she's at the fair. With a shake shake here and a twirl twirl there, cows got rhythm beyond compare. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Last came the cat, the cool DJ, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, she scratched those records with perfect flair. With a spin spin here and a drop the beat there, farm